Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make donut dough at home. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar in a large bowl. In a separate small bowl, dissolve 1 packet of active dry yeast in 1/2 cup of warm milk. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. This activates the yeast, which is crucial for a light and airy donut. Now, pour the yeast mixture into your dry ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 large egg. Mix everything together until a shaggy dough forms. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and knead it for 8 to 10 minutes. You're looking for a smooth, elastic dough that springs back when gently poked. This step develops the gluten, giving your donuts their signature chewiness. Once kneaded, place your dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 1.5 hours, or until it has doubled in size. After proofing, gently punch down the dough and roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/2 inch thickness. Use a 3-inch donut cutter and a 1-inch hole cutter to create your donut shapes. Arrange your cut donuts on parchment paper and let them rise for another 30 minutes. This second rise ensures a fluffy texture. Heat about 3 to 4 inches of vegetable oil in a heavy-bottomed pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully lower the donuts into the hot oil, frying them for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing socks. Drain them on a wire rack before glazing or sugaring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.